What if something completely invisible was already on its way toward Earth? A black hole, not glowing, not burning, but capable of destroying everything.
Here's the terrifying truth. We might not even see it coming.
Welcome to a journey through one of the most dangerous cosmic scenarios imaginable.
What exactly is a black hole, and why is it so deadly? A black hole is not a cosmic vacuum cleaner, but its gravity is unstoppable.
Now imagine one of these wandering through space, heading toward us. This is called a rogue black hole, and yes, they really exist.
Most are far away. But what if one entered our solar system? The first effects would begin far beyond Pluto.
Tiny objects would start drifting, pulled off their paths. But we still wouldn't see the cause. Because black holes don't emit light, and they hide in darkness. Scientists would notice something strange, but too late. Gravity, and the only clue that something massive is nearby. As it gets closer, the effects grow stronger. Neptune would be the first major victim. Then Uranus dragged slowly out of its orbit. The solar system is no longer stable. And this is only the beginning. As the black hole moves inward, even giants cannot resist its pull. Jupiter, the protector of Earth, begins to lose control. Even Saturn's rings would not survive this encounter. The closer it gets, the more violent space becomes. Now Earth enters the danger zone. At first, nothing would seem wrong to us. But deep underground and in the oceans, changes begin. Tides would grow stronger, far beyond anything ever recorded. Because gravity from the black hole is stretching Earth itself. This effect is called tidal force, and it is deadly. As the distance decreases, the force grows exponentially. Eventually, Earth would begin to break apart. Mountains would collapse. Oceans would rise uncontrollably. And then comes the most terrifying process: spaghettification, where objects are stretched into thin strands. No planet and no object can survive this. Compared to Earth, a black hole's gravity is unimaginable.
If the black hole passed slightly farther away, Earth might survive. But life as we know it would still be impossible. This raises a question. Could humanity ever survive such an event? To survive, humanity would need technology far beyond anything we have today. Perhaps giant space stations built to escape planetary destruction, or interstellar ships carrying the last survivors into deep space. But even escaping isn't easy, and gravity would affect everything. The black hole doesn't chase, but its influence spreads endlessly. This is the true nature of gravity. It shapes the universe itself. Black holes are not just destroyers, they are part of cosmic balance. But when one enters the wrong place, the consequences are catastrophic. Compared to the universe, our solar system is incredibly fragile. One passing object could erase billions of years of stability. And yet, events like this are extremely rare.
Space is vast. Distances are almost unimaginable.
But not impossible.
And that is what makes the universe both beautiful and terrifying. If a black hole entered our solar system, we wouldn't stand a chance. No warning, no escape, only the laws of nature. But for now, we are safe. Our planet, protected by distance and cosmic luck. But the universe is always changing. And somewhere in the darkness, something may already be moving toward us.